Best use of broken biscuits. Yummy cake. Easy recipe.
Hey guys, welcome back to Vicky's World. I am Vicky. Today, with the yummiest cake in the world, and so simple, you can make it in 3 minutes, at least 3 minutes. And we will make it out of biscuits, like crumbled biscuits. So, let's get started on the video. Okay, so, we need these ingredients. So let me tell you what ingredients you need. You need 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda. And we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we need some butter melted. And we don't need this ingredient. It's just according to your taste. Almond flour and almond and sprinkles, yummy sprinkles. Cinnamon, just adding to my taste. You could add anything like raisins, you could add vanilla essence, pineapple essence, whatever you want. And we need sugar and a little bit of milk. And 1 egg, and a whisker, and a fork. And scissors to cut the biscuit. We're using fiber biscuits. So guys, we need 1 pack of biscuits. Or if you're using 2 packets of biscuits, you need each thing double. And we will cut it open, and it is fiber biscuit rich. So I just cut it open. Now let's pour it into the grinder and make it into a powder. Grind it until it's a powder. So guys, we're done crushing them. And look, they're all in powder. Now, the next step is add our baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. And now our 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, a little bit more. Just sprinkle. Now, we will put some of our... So I'm putting a few spoons of almond flour. All of them. Okay, now we will put our almonds in and our cinnamon. According to your taste, how much you want. And now we will take some of our milk. Now we will mix it super good. Mix it well. Mix. It's time to put the egg. Crack it. Okay. So guys, I cracked the egg. Now we will also put sugar in it. So this is 4 teaspoons of sugar. And we will put... Now guys, I put it in. Now we will mix it up with... Now we made our tasty batter. Now it's the time to put it in our microwave for 2 or 3 minutes. So guys, we will put it in the microwave now. And we could put it to 2 or 3 minutes because it depends to our after 2 minutes if it's super good puffed up, and you could try to put a knife and see if anything comes on it. Then put it for a few more minutes or a few more seconds, and if it's perfect, then it's done. So let's put it in. So my mom greased the bowl. So now we will take some flour, just for it won't stick. Sprinkle it all around. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, I will pour it in. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Pour it in, pour it in, pour. Okay guys, so I poured all of it in, as you saw. Now, on the top, there will be lumps. So you want to take it up and do like this. Or like, it will get a smooth texture. It won't be bumpy. No air bubbles in it, because we don't want air bubbles. Now, we will put some sprinkles. I just, it tastes so good. I haven't seen it taste. So now let's put it. Okay guys, now I put it in the beautiful microwave, and now we will set it. How many minutes? 2 minutes probably. Look, look, it will just start puffing. It looks so tasty. It's so tasty. Look, it looks so tasty. It will just start puffing in 30 seconds, not 29. Now I'm waiting it to get cool, so let's do the knifey test. Oh, it came unpuffed, so it's fine. So we put it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds in our oven, and the test went good. And you could check after 2 minutes and check it, because we also did like that. We checked after 2 minutes. We just need 30 more seconds, so we put it for 30 seconds. It's perfect. Okay? Oh, super hot. Now let's see if so guys, you could see how spongy it is, and look how pretty it's looking. So let's try it. Hey, so happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to someone. It's so good. I bet you should try it. It's so yummy. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this video, like, share, comment down below if you tried this cake before or